Hey, that's cheating. Is it though? Those two have a really short temper. Tell me about it. There's some commotion in the city. Got it. Let's go. Aren't these the guys we fought when Thanos was here? This is bigger than we thought. Let's get the Avengers in here. The Outriders are back. Since they are extinct, this must be the workings of Mysterio. We will set a trap. A-Team will find Mysterio. You guys need to be our bait. Good luck. We are in position. Let's get moving. There's a whole bunch coming now. There's a lot of activity on 17th Avenue. Got it. I'm getting overwhelmed. This is the place. Huh, it's empty. Whoa.